vSAN Enterprise Plus Edition is a new bundle of vSAN Enterprise and vRealize Operations Advanced licenses. Let's take a closer look. With vSAN Advanced or higher, there are 6 dashboards integrated into vCenter that provide key data points at a glance. You can get the summary view of any issues, capacity concerns, as well as IOPS and disk throughput and latency information at an aggregated or individual cluster view. You can easily see more information on triggered alerts by selecting View Details. But to really dig deep into performance, capacity, migration, or troubleshooting, we need to jump into the full version of vRealize Operations. The vSAN Operations Overview dashboard provides a holistic view of your vSAN environment from the vSAN clusters down to the physical disks. The Capacity Overview dashboard simplifies capacity management by providing an aggregate view of capacity contributors and utilization for all your vSAN clusters. Using the Troubleshooting dashboard, you can quickly find root cause and remediate. This dashboard provides complete troubleshooting of vSAN, from the cluster to the host to the physical disk layer. With the new vSAN Enterprise Plus licensing, you can achieve self-driving operations of vSAN using the new capabilities of vRealize Operations within vCenter, along with the full vSAN capabilities built into the full version of vRealize Operations. VMware Storage. Real. Today.